Alright, it's what time? Like
It's 5:09.
5:09. Ito, kakaway lang namin. Walk namin sa Daisy. First order of business.
Target level 1.
Ayan siya. Ang bilis niya, diba? Oh, pee agad.
Sure, hindi mo napina kanina pa.
Oo. Tapos na tayo na rin. Oh. Poop, Daisy. Ayan, pupo na siya.
Uy. No, I need this one.
Oh, okay.
Down. No, down. DC down. Down. Here. Down. Okay, good girl. Down. No, not sit down. Come here. Up.
Okay, struggle kami.
Up. Come here.
Okay. Because there's treats, so she thinks that we need her to sit down.
Oh, it's clean.
Yeah, it came out pretty good.
This one more.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna go in now. Okay, we're in the house now.
Wipe Daisy.
Oh yeah, every time we go in here, she wipes her feet kasi
To avoid ano na din. She's very prone to ano eh.
allergies and stuff like that.
Yeah. She's very maarte.
Daisy, come here.
Come here, my love.
Come here.
Wipe first. Here. Wipe first. Wipe. Come on. Wipe. Daisy. Why are you so stunned? Come on. Thank you, my
See,
love.
very compliant, very good, very
Thank you, my
demure and
love.
mindful.
Wipe.
Very cutesy. Pagkatapos nito, kakain na siya. Kain na ba siya? Or cuddles muna siya?
Siguro cuddles mo na kakasnaps naman.
Okay.
Wait lang, my love. Wait lang. Oh, clean naman siya ngayon. That's good. Oops!
Oh yeah.
I need the
Kagabi, nag-shower siya ng medicational shampoo niya. And that was very good kasi her skin has less bumps today. And
Thank you, my
if you
love.
watched
Other
our last
one?
vlog,
Other one?
we went to the vet kasi she's getting like allergies. Her paws were really red last week. They were red last night too. But I think her skin is
It's gotten better.
subsiding. Yeah, it's getting better. So she's good. And she's very good. Like, look, she's just there. We're done. We're done, Daisy.
One last.
Okay.
Sorry, my love. Here. Cuddles. Come on. Come here.
So we're rinsing this because we're gonna steam it and she's gonna eat it. We're gonna mix it with her food because we ran out of her food that they left for us because we made a mistake.
What?
We made a mistake, so we ran out of food. But things are good. Things are still okay. As for us, we're just gonna chill for a bit. Get the Perrier. Cat's laying down. She's probably gonna cuddle. I'm boiling some water so that we can steam this. And gotta throw this out to the bus. We don't have our ano here. I don't know if we explained it. I think we did. But we don't have our carpet. It's right there because Daisy sheds a little bit. Like she has tiny hairs. So we just took it off so that we don't have to worry about vacuuming that so hard. We just daily vacuum our floor so it's always clean. And then we mop it like what? Like every other day?
Yeah. What? The which one?
The floors.
Oh, we vacuum every day, but we mop every other day.
Yeah. And it has nothing to do with anything. We just like to keep it clean.
This is just what she wants.
Huh?
Daisy.
Oh yeah, she just wants to cuddle like that. It's cute. Cutie pie. Oh. Cutie pie, Daisy. Cutie.
Are you cooking?
There you go. I'm gonna blanch it for like, I don't know, a minute. Get it soft. I keep forgetting to vlog. It's now like 8:30 or something.
Yeah.
And we're on our last walk with Daisy for tonight. She's just smelling everything. And then we're gonna go upstairs.
So I wonder if like there are two sides ng elevator. Dito and then dito. But the elevator is not wala siya sa center. So where is the entrance for these suites?
Which ones?
Like the suites facing here.
These ones? These ones? Same elevator. Right?
So right when you exit the elevator, it's
No, it must be the bigger suites. Like 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. So it extends. Okay, we're inside now. And it's a Daisy getting her wipes for the night.
other side, my love. Come here.
Actually, there's a lot of things to do with Daisy. So there's this one, the shampoo, dry shampoo,
The toothbrush.
and then gotta brush her teeth because if we don't, she's gonna have bad breath. There's also like a waterless one. So we just spray this in her mouth. And then we also put this in her wrinkles. So that her, ano ba yan yung tears? Yung
Thank you, my
tear stain, hindi magstay. So yan, nilalagay namin. Every night, every single night. And she's really, really good at it. Right? She just lets us, look at her eyes. They're kind of sleepy. Even though she slept all day.
Come on. Come here. Come here. So, meron kaming ganito. I mean, yung parents niya, meron ganito. Box. Toneladang ganito. Kasi, every night, ginagamit sa kanya. I mean,
Yeah.
come here. Forward here. Come here.
And then once a week, she gets a bath. And then, and look, sit. Hindi mo pinasit. Sorry. Tapos yung po din, pagawin mo sa kanya.
Okay, sit. Daisy, sit. No, sit. Po, thank you. Na-advance ang po. Thank you, my love. You're so good. You are so good. Okay, let's wipe na. Come here. Let's wipe na.
Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Bait-bait.
Yung ano niya pala, yung
It's 9. So we always have to wipe her her pee hole because
Walang panghawak ng ano niya.
yeah, and then because she's so close to the ground, every time she pees, her her thing, it touches the ground, and because of that, they're very
Prone to infection.
yeah, they're very prone to UTIs, and then they're also very prone to allergies, and they're also very prone to spine issues down the line because of just how they're built.
Yeah.
So we have to be careful with her. Okay, so now dry shampoo. You know, it's such a lifestyle change pag may aso ka. And especially kung they have a lot of needs like Daisy. Actually, Daisy could be like easy maintenance naman, but you know, just to keep her clean and stuff.
Clean and healthy.
Clean and healthy.
Kasi yung mga ganito na aso, they're very like anong tawag nito? Sakitin ba? Or basta madali lang silang madali silang makakatch na mga infections or sakit. So, kaya yung parents niya very cautious din.
Proactive
very
with her health.
proactive, yes. Kaya, of course, as much as possible kung may mga measures na, you know, could prevent your... Prevention is better than cure. Sorry, my love. Diba? So, si Kim usually natututbrush sa kanya kasi nag-aaway kami ni Daisy sa toothbrush. So,
yeah, but she's so good.
okay, you're good na, my love. I know.
This is her. So she smells like lavender for like 10 minutes, and then she smells like Doritos after.
Okay, good job. Okay, that's enough na kasi mag-brush ka na ng teeth.
Easy.
Okay, there.
I can't see her.
Okay, sorry. Wait lang. Easy spray. Okay, good job. Tapos na, both sides. So, ito, ginamit namin for brushing. And then, yung yung toothpaste niya. Saan yung toothpaste niya?
Nandun eh.
Oh, okay, yeah, this one. Ito yung side. Hi. Good girl. I know. So guys, yung food pala ni Daisy, gulay, yung pinakita ni Kim kanina, gulay, and then may kibbles din. Kibbles, gulay, and then meat. Kasi, yun na yung nakasanayan niya, right, my love? Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Ready for bed now, baby. Ready for bed now, my love. Ready for bed na. Say hi. Hi. Daisy is a blue brindle na Frenchie. And she's very cute. May mga nakakasabay. Oh, okay, mamupo na siya. May mga nakakasabay kami dito ng mga Frenchies din. Very friendly naman din sila. Si Daisy, gustong-gusto niya mag-hi din. Pero, mas gusto niyang makikipaghalubilo sa mga sa mga tao. Sa mga humans kaysa sa mga dogs. Nag-hi lang siya sa mga dogs. Pero, mas siya sa mga tao talaga. Right, Mela? Right, Mela? Sleepy na ikaw? Do you wanna go to sleep na? Huh? Yeah, so that's her routine every night. And then, when everyone is ready na for bed, siya din pumapasok na sa kwarto para matulog. May sarili siyang bed. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung toothpaste niya, guys. Petkin. Petkin ba to na toothpaste? Black gel toothpaste na merong baking soda, which is good naman. I think that's very helpful. And then, yung waterless na shampoo niya, ito din yung ginagamit. No rinse na waterless shampoo. Lavender. And then, the one for her, yung pang wrinkles niya, ewan ko, andun na yun, nakalagay na dun sa bag. But, yeah, yun yung mga niya. May shampoo din siya na galing sa doctor because nagka-allergies nga siya. Nagkaroon siya ng mga bumps dito sa, niya, sa skin niya. And then, nagka-red-red din yung paws niya. Daisy, can I see? Can I see paws, my love?
But it's not as bad anymore.
Yeah, not as bad anymore. My love, can I see? Please, can I see? Can I see? Medyo, medyo better na ngayon kaysa sa last time. She's getting better na. Wala na masyadong bumps na nakikita. Okay, we'll get ready for bed na.
So as for us, we gotta get the house ready again for sleeping, which is basically just cleaning up. I have this ball though, so I'm gonna inflate it because it's kind of deflated. We've had this for a long time, so we're just gonna because I bought this recently. It just arrived today actually. It's pretty cool because it comes with this storage. See, pretty cool. And it has the in there. I don't know what this is called, the needle.
What? Okay, so guys, meron pala kaming
Carrot cake. Oh shoot.
Carrot
My
cake.
needle. Okay, sorry.
Carrot cake from Joy. Thank you so much, Joy. I love it. Alam mo, nung pauwi pa kami, nung nasa car pa lang kami, inanuman ko na siya, inatake ko na yung yung
See, look.
yung mo, carrot cake mo. Gusto ko. I love it so much. Thank you very much. And hi to Pastor.
Okay, so ayan na po si Daisy. Ganyan siya mag-sleep. Right
With the
beside our
fan.
bed. Ayan, may fan din siya. And then, ayan, sleep siya dyan. Mamaya humihilik na yan. Okay, so good night everyone. Peace.
Alright.